Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a fiber and protein rich healthy vegetarian thali. This nutrient dense thali is a wholesome healthy vegetarian meal for healthy weight loss and weight management, and ideal to include in diabetic diet, PCOS diet, or as a healthy meal in your weight loss journey. So let's get started with the recipes. I'm heating my pressure cooker with 2 teaspoons wood pressed groundnut oil. Once the oil is heated, I'm adding in half teaspoon jeera, also known as cumin seeds, 2 whole red chilies which I am breaking into half and adding in 1/4 teaspoon hing, also known as asafoetida. Into this I'm adding in half onion finely chopped, 1 green chilli finely chopped, 4 cloves of garlic finely chopped, and 1/4 inch ginger finely chopped. Give it a good stir. Lightly saute the onions. Once the onions are lightly sauteed, add in half teaspoon roasted jeera powder, also known as cumin powder, half teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Give it a quick stir. Add in 1 tomato finely chopped, 1 cup of pumpkin chopped. Pumpkin is also known as kaddu or mattanya in Malayalam. Give it a good stir. Into this I'm adding in half cup tur dal which I had soaked really well. So I'm adding in this soaked and rinsed tur dal. Addition of jeera and hing also will help in good digestion, so try not to omit it. Now give this a good mix. Add in 2 cups of water. Pink Himalayan salt as needed. Cover and let it cook for 3 to 4 whistles. While the dal is getting cooked, let's make a gluten-free and nutrient-dense roti. To make the roti, into a bowl I'm adding in half cup sprouted ragi flour. Into this I'm adding in half grated cucumber, half onion finely chopped. I have finely chopped about 3/4 cup of green amaranth and I'm adding it into the bowl. 1 green chilli finely chopped and 1/4 inch ginger finely chopped. A pinch of asafoetida, also known as kayam in Malayalam. A pinch of turmeric powder. Half teaspoon jeera, also known as cumin seeds. A fat pinch of black pepper powder. And with my hand, I'm mixing all this really well. Instead of green amaranth, you can use any green leafy vegetable of your choice and which is in season at the place you live in. Now the reason why I'm using sprouted ragi flour is that once the ragi is sprouted, the vitamin C level tends to increase and leads to easy absorption of iron into the bloodstream. So try to use sprouted ragi flour in your diet. I'm adding in some water and with my hand I'm kneading it. I added 1/4 cup of water. And once nicely mixed, it should be of spreadable consistency. That is, you should be able to spread it with your thumb like this. So this is the consistency you should be looking at. Try to be a bit cautious when you are adding water. Sometimes you may not need 1/4 cup of water, as it will also depend upon the moisture content in the cucumber and in the green amaranth. I'm going to keep this aside. To make raw banana sabzi, into a pan I'm adding in 2 to 3 teaspoons of wood pressed coconut oil. Once the oil is heated, I'm adding in half onion finely chopped. Give it a stir. Allow the onions to become transparent. Once the onion starts to turn transparent, I'm adding in 2 teaspoons Kashmiri chili powder. You can increase or decrease Kashmiri chili powder as per your taste. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder and give it a good mix. Into this I'm adding in 2 raw bananas which I have sliced. I had washed and rinsed the raw bananas thoroughly. Now did you know that raw bananas are a good source of resistant starch? Give this a good mix. Pink Himalayan salt as needed. 1/4 cup water. Cover and allow the raw banana to get cooked. Open the lid, give it a good stir. Lightly saute it for a couple of minutes and then turn off the flame. And my super healthy raw banana sabzi is ready to serve. To make the ragi roti, I'm heating my cast iron tawa and I'm greasing it with wood pressed gingerly oil, also known as sesame oil, till oil or nallenna in Malayalam. I'm dividing the dough into 2 equal portions and I'm placing it onto the tawa. And with my hand, I'm lightly spreading it out into a round and thin circle. Drizzle in a teaspoon of wood pressed coconut oil. Remember that for healthy assimilation of fat soluble vitamins, you need to use a good source of healthy fat. So try to avoid refined oils and switch to wood pressed or cold pressed oils in your diet. Cover and let it cook. Now, leftover batter will stay good in the refrigerator for a couple of days. 2 to 3 minutes later, open the lid and carefully flip it over. Allow that side to get cooked as well. And once done, flip it over and serve to the plate. Let's check on the dal. With a potato masher, I'm lightly mashing the dal and the pumpkin. If you want your pumpkin dal curry to be slightly on the thicker side, you can reduce the quantity of water. The dal, once it cools down, will thicken slightly. So add water as needed. Lastly, I'm sprinkling in some coriander leaves and my pumpkin dal curry is ready to serve. Next, I'm making a vegan raita. Now, if you don't have any intolerance to dairy milk, you can use dairy milk curd. I'm using cashew curd. I've already shared 4 different vegan curd recipes. Please do check it out. Into this, I'm adding in 1 tablespoon grated beetroot, pink Himalayan salt as needed, 1 green chilli or as needed, and I'm giving it a good stir. Transfer the beetroot raita onto another bowl and garnish it with some chopped green chillies. And my quick and easy beetroot raita is ready to serve. Vegan beetroot raita, raw banana sabzi, pumpkin dal curry, some extra coriander leaves for added flavor, ragi roti, homemade mango pickle, and my super healthy vegetarian thali is ready to serve. So guys, do try these recipes and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.